I'm going to fill 50 of these 30 ml bottles using this dispenser. Following this recipe, here's the recipe scaled down to 1 bottle so you can adapt it to your beard oil needs. Let's begin. Set up your workstation, scales, Pyrex, jug, stirring utensil. First ingredient, sweet almond oil, lightweight, nourishing, and fast absorbing. Standard carrot oil in beard care. You notice I'm pouring down that stirring utensil. That's so the carrot oil doesn't dribble down the 5-litre tub. Into my dispenser. Golden jojoba oil balances sebum, softens the skin. It's a mainstay of beard care. It's a stalwart of beard care. Into the dispenser. Avocado oil, deeply moisturising, rich in vitamins. Into the dispenser again. Argan oil adds shine. It conditions the beard care. Extremely premium ingredient, common in all kinds of hair care. Castor oil helps thicken the beard oil. I like a thick golden beard oil. It's full of vitamin E too, which is great for your beard hair. In it goes. I've now prepped my bottles. I've removed all the tops and separated them into this Pyrex, ready for the production line. First one, you'll just crank them out with one of these dispensers. You can do it all day. I'll show you 5 here. Nice and easy, no spillage. There are my bottles, 50 filled with the tops on. I'm going to show you a couple of scent profiles now. First one is Cedarwood and Fir Needle. Cedarwood, clean, woody, masculine, helps calm irritated skin. Fir Needle, crisp, fresh, piney, uplifting, clears the senses. Cedarwood 12 drops, and Fir Needle 8 drops. I hand scent all my bottles as and when the orders come in. Next scent profile is Frankincense and Patchouli. Frankincense is warm, resinous, slightly citrusy, calming and grounding. Patchouli, earthy, musky and rich, adds depth and longevity to the profile. Frankincense 11 drops, Patchouli 9 drops. I've not gone too revolutionary on my scent profiles across my range. I've just gone for the common ones that people like. Tried and tested. Give it a little shake. And here they are, boxed up and ready to go out into the world. If you're in the world and you're in need for some quality gear for your body, bath or beard, and it's fullsetproducts.com. I've got lip balm, highly rated, 4 cents, beard oil of course, beard balm, beard butter, standard. I've got body soap, this one looks like a lump of coal for when you've been bad at Christmas. And there we are, fullsetproducts.com. If you want to support me, buy some high quality gear for your beard. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much.